healthy mouth, teeth, and gums is important for your overall health, but also, of course, as part of your beauty routine. So today I'm sharing my #1 top remedy for dental plaque and tartar buildup. So what is dental plaque? Well, this is a sticky coating that happens to build up on the teeth. It's also known as a biofilm, and it is comprised of live bacteria. We know that we have bacteria, both good and bad, probiotics and not so friendly bacteria in the mouth, and this is something that feeds off of carbohydrates, and this is why often the dentist, your hygienist may say don't eat too many sugars and carbohydrates, because in the saliva we do have these live bacteria and they feed off and replicate when we have too much sugar. Now tartar is a little bit different, and it usually takes a little bit longer time to develop tartar, and this is harder and forms that darker, harder calculus on the teeth, and the tartar is actually absorbing some of the minerals that are in our saliva, and this is what hardens now onto the teeth, and this is what needs to be removed by your hygienist. Now some of the causes of dental plaque and tartar of course include those carbohydrates, so too many sugars. Alcohol will do this as well, and what alcohol is doing is changing the bacterial balance in the mouth, and snacking. So snacking and always having sugar in the mouth will definitely make sure that those bacteria are fed, causing more of that dental plaque and tartar buildup. Now there's a certain group of foods that contain something called phytic acids, and this group of foods includes legumes, nuts, as well as grains, and these phytic acids are known to really break down that tooth enamel and cause more tooth decay. So my tip here, if you do like to consume a lot of nuts and seeds and legumes and maybe the grains as well, is to soak, especially the nuts. So this is something you can do: soak your nuts overnight in a little bit of salt water. You could use a little bit of lemon water as well overnight to remove that phytic acid, and it won't alter the taste, but will remove that harmful part for your teeth. My tips here for remineralizing the teeth is to make sure that you're getting enough of your essential minerals. So big one is calcium. Taking in a whole food coral calcium, and that's exactly what I do, either in a powdered form or in a capsule form, is a great way, because that calcium from that whole food source, from that above sea level fossilized coral calcium, will help to remineralize your teeth. That whole balance between calcium, your magnesium, your vitamin D3 is very important for helping to maintain that healthy tooth structure. So that is really important, as well as iodine. So iodine is something that can be used topically right on the teeth to help to remineralize the teeth as well. There's also something that you can make, and that is a remineralizing toothpaste. For more information on how to make your own toothpaste, check out my video, Remineralizing Toothpaste Recipe. I'll see you there.